Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Gilby and you're watching the Cricket Stories. With IPL 2025 now behind us, I'm here to take you through some of the biggest controversies that stirred things up this season. Number 1, starting with the pitch controversy. It all began when KKR captain Ajinkya Rahane reportedly requested a spin-friendly pitch at Eden Gardens, aiming to give KKR spinners a strategic edge at home. However, the pitch curator declined the request, which didn't sit well with several cricket pundits. Experts like Simon Dowell, Harsha Bhogle, and Akash Chopra criticized the decision, even suggesting that KKR consider moving their home games to Guwahati for better support. The issue escalated to the point where the Cricket Association of Bengal, CAB, formally requested the BCCI to bar Simon Dowell and Harsha Bhogle from commentating on matches at Eden Gardens. Interestingly, similar concerns were also echoed by LSG coach Zahir Khan and CSK's Stephen Fleming regarding pitch conditions at their venues. Number 2, bat checks and player reactions. Another hot topic this season is the on-field checking of bats by umpires. Bat size and shape. As per ICC guidelines, bats must adhere to specific size and shape regulations. Umpires have been extra vigilant this season to ensure there are no illegal modifications, such as oversized edges or tampering. Maintaining fair play. With advanced tech and tighter rules, these checks are essential to uphold the spirit of the game. That said, not all players are pleased with the timing of these inspections, especially when bats are being checked just before they walk out to bat. Some cricket experts believe this could break a batter's focus and disrupt their momentum. Number 3, the no ball controversy. When Mitchell Starc bowled a sideline no ball against RR, everyone started showing the pics of MI's bowler Vignesh Puthur and Jack Will's pics, stating different rules for different teams. Umpire Anil Chowdhury explained on Star Sports show why it was a no ball of Starc and not a no ball of MI bowlers.
जी आइए नो बॉल, इसको बोलते हैं रिटर्न क्रीज. इसमें क्या फर्क है कि जब आपका जो पहला टच है अगर वो अंदर है ऐसे और उसके बाद लैंडिंग में भले ही वो ऐसे हो जाए, नो बॉल नहीं है. आप समझ रहे हैं? अगर पहली बारी में डायरेक्टली काटे, अगर इनका पैर सीधा ही जैसे एक बॉल पे यहाँ था, दिस इज नो बॉल बिकॉज इट इज कटिंग स्ट्रेट अवे. सीधा सीधा काट रहा है तो ये नो बॉल है. बैकफुट की नो बॉल का ये.
Number 4, Ishan Kishan walking out of the field believing he had nicked the ball down the leg against Mumbai Indians. Even umpire was confused whether to give it wide or out. Initially, umpire signaled a wide, then realized Ishan was walking off. As he started walking out, MI players started appealing, to which umpire immediately raised his finger. Later, when Snickometer showed no edge in the reply, it surprised everyone, including Ishan Kishan. He was out in a similar way before as well. Social media went crazy against Ishan, remember? Ishan was part of Mumbai Indians squad in the past years. Number 5, Digvesh Rathi's celebrations and fines. LSG spinner. Digvesh Rathi faced multiple fines totaling rupees 9.75 lakh for his notebook celebration, which was deemed unsportsmanlike. The LSG spinner has breached the IPL's code of conduct under the Article 2.2. It all started when he dismissed Punjab's batter Priyansh Arya on the 1st of April. He was fined 25% of the match fee. 3 days later, on the 4th of April, he dismissed MI batter Naman Dheer and given him the similar notebook, send-off to which he was fined 50% of the match fee. Against SRH, when he dismissed Abhishek Sharma and pointed him towards the pavilion while doing his usually notebook celebration, which did not go well with Abhishek Sharma, and he responded back aggressively, making some gestures. This led to a heated argument between the two, and umpires had to separate both the players. BCCI fined 50% match fee to Digvesh, along with 1 match ban for his repeating mistakes. Abhishek Sharma was also fined 25% of the match fee. Number 6, MS Dhoni's calls for retirement over CSK's poor performance. CSK had a disappointing season, finishing at the bottom of the points table. This led to widespread criticism of Dhoni's leadership and performance. Former cricketers like Krishnamachari Shrikant and Sanjay Bangar publicly suggested that Dhoni should consider retiring, citing his age and declining performance. Former teammates Harbhajan Singh and Irfan Pathan also questioned Dhoni's intent while chasing the big scores and his batting position. Dhoni at the end of the CSK last match said, "I'm not saying I'm done. I'm not saying I'm coming back." Let us know your opinion on the above controversies. If you have liked the video, please share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.